AI retirement planning can build your full plan in one prompt, but if you copy-paste the numbers, you could retire 10 years too early. I stress-tested the 5-step AI workflow everyone recommends, and Step 3 failed every single tool. Welcome to TechWise, where we test real AI tools and show you what they can actually do. Subscribe if you want practical AI, not financial advice. Here is the reality. Millions of people are now asking ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini for help with their pensions, their savings, and their retirement timeline. But most of them are using AI in a way that could cost them thousands. Today, I am doing something different. I am not asking AI for generic tips. I am building a complete practical retirement plan using AI, step by step. And I am showing you exactly how to do it safely. This is not about replacing a financial advisor. This is about using AI to prepare for that conversation, to ask better questions, and to understand your options before you make any decisions. Let me show you the 5-step framework I used. Step 1. Gather your numbers without sharing sensitive data. This is the most important safety rule. Never put your full account numbers, your tax ID, or your exact personal details into an AI tool. Use rounded figures and general categories instead. For example, traditional pension around 300,000 euros. Monthly expenses approximately 2,500. Living in northern Italy. That gives the AI enough context to work with without exposing your identity. The prompt I used: before you advise me, ask me the questions a good financial planner would ask about my retirement situation. Do not give recommendations yet. Just gather the information you need. This forces the AI to act like a real advisor, collecting data first, then analyzing. Most people skip this step and get generic advice that does not fit their situation. Step 2. Model your retirement timeline with realistic assumptions. This is where most AI retirement plans fail. The model makes optimistic assumptions about returns, inflation, and lifespan. And the plan looks great on paper, but falls apart in reality. The prompt I used: based on my current savings of rounded amount, monthly expenses of rounded amount, and expected pension start age of age, model 3 scenarios: optimistic, realistic, and conservative. Show me the year my savings would run out in each scenario. Use a realistic return rate and include inflation. The key here is to ask for multiple scenarios. A single number is misleading. A range of outcomes tells you what could actually happen. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini all handle this well, but you must force them to show their assumptions. Ask, what return rate are you assuming? What inflation rate? What lifespan? If the AI cannot answer, do not trust the output. Step 3. Stress test your biggest risks. Retirement is not just about running out of money. It is about healthcare costs, market downturns, and unexpected expenses. AI is excellent at modeling these scenarios, if you ask the right questions. The prompt I used: show me what happens to my retirement plan if 1. The market drops 30% in the first 5 years of retirement. 2. Healthcare costs are 50% higher than expected. 3. I live to 95 instead of 85. Which of these risks has the biggest impact on my plan? This is called scenario exploration, and it is one of the most valuable uses of AI in retirement planning. It helps you see where your plan is fragile before you retire, not after. Step 4. Use AI to prepare for your advisor meeting. This is where AI becomes a force multiplier. Instead of walking into a meeting with a financial planner and hoping you ask the right questions, use AI to generate a targeted question list based on your specific situation. The prompt I used: I am meeting with a certified financial planner next week. My goal is to understand whether I can retire at age with my current savings and pension. Generate 10 specific, high-quality questions I should ask, focused on withdrawal strategy, tax optimization, and healthcare planning. The result is a list of questions that makes you look prepared, helps you get better answers, and ensures you do not miss critical topics. This is exactly what real retirees are doing in 2026. They are not asking AI to make the final decision. They are using AI to walk into professional meetings actually prepared. Step 5. Verify everything with official sources. This is the step most people skip, and it is where AI retirement planning becomes dangerous. AI can sound confident when it is wrong, especially on tax rules, pension regulations, and Social Security timing. The rule is simple. Never act on AI output for major financial decisions without checking it against official sources. In Italy, that means ENPS for pension rules, the tax authority for regulations, and your pension fund's official documents for withdrawal options. The prompt I used: for each recommendation you just made, tell me which official source I should check to verify it. For example, ENPS website, tax authority guidelines, or my pension fund's terms. This forces the AI to point you toward authoritative sources instead of letting you assume its output is final. Now let me show you the actual plan AI helped me build. Based on my rounded inputs, the AI modeled 3 scenarios. In the optimistic scenario, my savings last to age 92. In the realistic scenario, they last to age 87. In the conservative scenario, they run out at age 82. That range, 82 to 92, is the real answer. Not a single number, a range. The biggest risk factor was not market returns, it was lifespan. If I live to 95, the plan needs adjustment. If I live to 85, the plan is solid. The AI also identified one blind spot I had not considered: the timing of my pension claim relative to my savings withdrawal. Claiming too early reduces the monthly amount. Claiming too late increases it, but requires more savings up front. The AI did not tell me what to do. It showed me the trade-offs. That is the difference between useful AI and dangerous AI. And this is exactly how AI retirement planning should work in 2026. AI is not your financial advisor. It is your preparation tool. It helps you understand your options, model scenarios, and ask better questions. But the final decision, and the verification, must come from you and your human advisor. The people who win with AI in retirement planning are not the ones who trust it blindly. They are the ones who use it to get smarter, not to outsource their thinking. So here is your action plan. First, gather your numbers using rounded figures, no sensitive data. Second, model 3 scenarios: optimistic, realistic, conservative. Third, stress test your biggest risks. Fourth, use AI to prepare questions for your advisor. Fifth, verify everything with official sources. That is how you use AI for retirement planning without putting your future at risk. Drop in the comments which step you want me to go deeper on: scenario modeling, stress testing, or advisor preparation. And subscribe, because in the next video I will show you the exact prompts I used for each step so you can copy them directly.